Integrating a comprehensive lending solution across multiple teams and processes can be complex. Here's how Finspectra empowered NWC to streamline operations, improve decision-making, and enhance the client experience.
Hi, I'm Katerina Martinez and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the NWC Group. At NWC was very much the game changer. We came in as the game changer for short-term lending. The key challenges absolutely came from that there was no integrated system for anyone to enter any data into. So from a deal perspective, it was impossible to actually look at past deals and draw any insights.
Hi, I'm Sonia Wilkin and I'm the Financial Controller for the NWC Finance Group of companies. A typical day was very laborious. I would have to go into the bank account every day, multiple bank accounts, multiple companies, to have a look at which of our borrowers had paid us.
So I'm Thomas, Senior Credit Analyst at NWC Finance. So we had a very manual process before we implemented Salesforce, so a lot of spreadsheets.
But what we found was the Finspectra just much more advanced in what they were offering. It was a lot more user-friendly. The was very cost-effective, and we wanted something that had scalability, that we could grow. Finspectra came in and spent a bit of time getting to know our business and getting to know what we were after and what we needed and understanding exactly what our processes were. They then, after that process, started to develop it to suit our needs, which is what we needed, something that we were not going to get with other people.
I cannot hand on heart say how incredible the Finspectra partnership has been. The support that we've received, the industry knowledge has been incredible. There was so many times where I would say, what would you do in this situation from your industry experience? And all of that customization and tailoring was a game changer in terms of our support and what that looked like. It's not an overnight transition. For us, we are breaking 21 years of habits, but it's been incredible. Or as a business and for our clients, seeing a more professional experience in terms of our loan management letters and for our investor side as well. That in itself has been the incentive in helping to drive our transition. So previously, it was a Word document form that someone would have to print out, physically complete, sign, scan, return. Now we have the ability to provide the link to our broker or the referrer or the client to complete everything online, upload documents online. It's just made such a more professional experience, a streamlined experience. Everything has been very synchronized and considered as part of that journey to make it better for the client experience. The measurable improvements have been from the time saving, and that is time saving for our clients. They're doing that all online. Our whole business is built on speed. Our clients come to us because they want funds sometimes within 24 hours. So it means that we need everything to support us, and that's why the implementation of Finspectra and Salesforce has been about supporting our journey of being the fastest that we can for our clients.
I really wish we'd started 5 years earlier because it's been actually meant that the business can operate and can grow, and we can integrate what's going on with all our CRMs, all our BDMs.
So when a deal settles, the directors are able to log in and see all the key information on one screen, which is quite useful for them when making decisions.
Sellers, they finally have a way of managing all of their opportunities. They finally have visibility of where their credit partner is at on their deals. They can also do things without relying on their credit partner. Our credit manager can manage huge volume of opportunities and all the very strict requirements that we have for every opportunity, every checklist, every activity, the partnership with then our AML and compliance team to also make sure that their activities are done. The feedback has been, wow, this is such a more professional experience. For the next 2 years, we have a very strong view on how we're going to continue to grow, and also how, from an operational efficiency perspective, how I can make the running of the business the best that it can be. And Finspectra is the partner that can actually help you do that, because You work together and identify what is your strategic plan, how do we use technology to feed that, and then how do we make intelligent decisions.
NWC achieves scale and efficiency in business lending with Finspectra by their side. Contact us today to digitize and optimize your lending workflows and reach your highest growth potential.